Hi, I'm Nathan from Drawboard, and I'd like to show you something that some people miss in Drawboard PDF, and that's the view and layout settings. So let's jump straight in. I'm on my PDF here, and I'm currently having to swipe left and right to change my pages. Now that's great for a slide deck, for example, but for this document I'd rather be able to scroll continuously. So if I go to my left-hand menu and go to the view and layout settings, I can click continuous mode, and that will let me scroll up and down much like a web page, which is much better for this type of document. Other options I've got in the view and layout settings are the ability to set to a double page or cover page mode. So I'll go to double page layout, and I'd also like to fit to width to be able to make the most of my real estate on the screen. I'm going to set that as my default configuration for all new documents and newly opened documents. Now the other function you've got in the view and layout settings is night mode. If I toggle night mode on, all the colors in my PDF are now inverted, including my annotations. This is really handy for viewing PDFs at nighttime where you don't want to blind your eyes with a fully white screen. But that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please reach out or go to the website.